What we're doing for the new Ford entry in NASCAR, the 2013 Ford Fusion, is making body panels, all the metal body panels for the program. What we do is we receive math data from Ford telling us what they would like the parts to be. From that, we will go through our process where we develop our dies. We then pour the dies and cut the dies, assemble the dies, and then we take the dies into our press room and where we'll actually press out the parts. From there, we'll take them to our lasers and we will cut all the excess material from the parts and ship those parts as finished parts.
Because the car was more production-like, we were using production suppliers that we use across Ford. Two of them are Roush Industries that does our carbon work, and Quality Metalcraft that does the sheet metal and sheet metal stamping. These guys have both been partners with us in NASCAR and production for many years, so we got a lot of great confidence in what they do.
A lot of the work was done on the Class A surfacing aspects of it, where they take raw clay picks or white light scans, sweeten that data up to make the surfaces nice and flowing and pretty, and then I take it from that point and add in all the manufacturing and assembly requirements that those parts need, again, to make the vehicle come together.
So some of the steps that we took, obviously you've seen some of the other features that we've done where we had the design community engaged to where we got the look of the car and we've got the aerodynamicists, so we got the performance of the car. Now we took that combination, got together with the engineers and the stamping engineers to make sure we could physically manufacture that.
Well, it's a lot more exciting being involved up front and, as you say, with a lot more of the styling features that generally you do not see in the race cars. The challenge is now that there's a lot more features and styling features is ensuring that they are manufacturable. And again, working hand in hand with the product designers, this is what you can do, this is not achievable, this is achievable.
The new Ford Fusion is, it had to go through extensive engineering to develop the whole sides of the car, which currently in the past we didn't really have. They were flat panels. So because of the complexity of the parts, there was a lot more upfront engineering, the time that was taken to develop the product, which at the end of the day, I think it came out perfect.
The difference on this version of our NASCAR product for Ford is that this time we're following very closely with the production vehicle for Ford, the new Fusion. So we're right up with them. Our production parts are going to meet the process the same timing as the production vehicle. And so it's a really unique opportunity. Everything that we've done previously has been a little bit different. It hasn't been modeled so closely to the production car. So we're really excited about that.
You know, the 2013 Fusion has a lot of characteristics in it. And also NASCAR is working very hard to make templates that'll hold those tolerances in tight order. So we needed our suppliers to work in very tight constraints so that each piece is ready to go to the racetrack immediately. And so in working with the teams and the manufacturers, we were able to get tight tolerances that we need to race for this 2013 season.